Hello children, today's paragraph is our school sweeper. But before we start the video, if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe so that you don't miss the further uploads which can be letters, applications, stories, etc. And if you want Hindi paragraphs, you can go to my second channel, that is Aao Hindi Seekhe. Its link has been given in the description box. Now let's start our paragraph. Our school sweeper. My school's name is Red Rose Public School. There are 3 sweepers in our school. Aman Singh is one of them. He belongs to a village in UP. He is not much educated. He is a poor man. He keeps a broom with him. He wears a turban. He respects all the teachers. He loves all the students and make them understand to keep clean their surroundings. He is regular and punctual. He sweeps a big portion of our school daily. He cleans the desks and chairs also. He does not smoke and drink. He never tells a lie. He is a married man and he has 2 sons and 2 daughters. He also sends his children to school for studies. His children are very bright. I hope you would have liked the video, and if you liked it, please share it. Thank you.